My name is Ocaya Emmanuel. Actually, my dream is to become a businessman, a dealer in phone, and with all its accessories. Well, the dream is to start the business with a small capital actually, then to go through and work harder so that the business is expanded to the next level. And therefore, I will have to use that same business, the money I will get from it, the income, the profit, I will have to invest it in other projects. So the project might be small scale industry. That will depend on the level of income I might be having by that time. So I pray that the business grow and becomes big. This is how it will flow. The small capital will start from here. Here comes the business with the small capital, phones and its counter, as you can see. Then the little money which will come out of the business will, I may use it to buy some plot of land. Then later I will expand here to some small scale industry. Then there I will continue just like that until it will grow big and big and big. I may become a billionaire, in the future. So that's the plan. The workshop actually was fueled the thoughts that I had. I had thoughts, but some of them were hidden there, that it could not come out easily. So I had to rethink and bring them out, share them with my friends. Generally, the experience was, I had to share with the friends, also had to give theirs, and there we share things in common.